What is up, parties, and welcome back to my channel. So today I am going to be doing a crochet hairstyle. I haven't done crochet hairstyle in quite some time. I have been enjoying rocking my natural hair, so I haven't done any extension styles as much as I used to in the past. You could definitely go and check out all my crochet hairstyles. I have a playlist called Hairs, Wigs, and Extensions. And I share all my crochet hairstyles that I did on my hair and did on other people's hair. So if you're interested in that, definitely go and check it out. Today I'm going to be doing crochet passion twists, and I got this hair from Amazon. It comes with six bundles. I'm hoping that 6 bundles does my hair, so I'm going to be doing like some big jumbo braids in the back just to ensure that these packs of hair actually gets my hair done, because normally I need like a lot of hair to like cover all this hair of mine, but I'm going to try my best to make it work. So I'm gonna show you guys how I get that done. Okay, so the first thing, my hair is washed. I don't have any product in it as yet, so that's why it's probably looking a little dry. But the first thing I'm going to do is section my hair from the front and the back. So the easiest way for me to do that is I just part like right here and go down to my ears. Because when it's left in the air, it gets tangled up really fast. And then I already braided it down so that it could be kind of stretched out, so I don't want to mess that up either. So I'm just going to twist it and secure it in the back. And then I am going to do the front. So I'm going to show you how I do the front. I'm going to be using rubber bands because I feel like that's going to be super easy for me, just to get this style done super quickly. Like so. Something like this. Like that. And then I have my favorite Blue Magic Indian hemp. That's what I'm going to be using in my scalp today, just to ensure I get some moisture. Oh, look, my gray strand. Oh, so cute. I'm going to be adding some Hydrating Sealant butter. Y'all, if you guys haven't seen me use this product, definitely go and check it out. I like how it makes my hair feel. It keeps my hair moisturized for a long period of time, so I really like that. So I'm just going to be using a little bit in my hair just to keep my hair moisturized while it's in this style. Parting my hair like this. Put in a rubber band. I'm trying not to do it too tight because you don't want a headache. So, and then I'm twisting it. Twist it a little bit, not all the way, just do a little twist, and then I'm going to section it again like so, and then join in the first one, then putting it in like so. Okay, and then pull it, do a little twist, not too far, just a little thing. Try to do it a little tight. not too tight, but tight enough that I could stay, and then do the last one. Just got done the front. This is how it's looking, and I'm about to combine it with the back. So I'm gonna show you quickly how I get this do using my so this is the last braid. I already connected all the other braids to each other. So the last braid, I'm just going to pack has 12, so I'm just going to start crocheting from the back. This is one pack. Two packs. As you can see, it's extremely versatile. Pretty much move it on whatever side you want, and it looks pretty natural. Okay y'all, so this is the final look. I am so happy with how it turned out. Let me know what y'all think. I try and show you the back in the mirror. It looks so nice. It turned out really nice. And it came with 8 packs, and 8 packs actually did the trick perfectly. So if you enjoyed this video, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. And if you're not subscribed, go ahead and click that subscribe button, and make sure to click your notification bell. That way you don't miss any of my uploads. Okay, bye.